How to use Blueprint in Dark War Survival. Now, Blueprint can be obtained while playing along the game on the beginner's um, starter pack. So as what you can see right now, my watchtower is currently at level 4. So before you reach watchtower level 4 or your campfire at level 4, you will automatically obtain a blueprint. Now what is the blueprint used for? Blueprint can be used for building or constructing structures that is not available on the game. But before you can go ahead and use your blueprint that is just standing over your inventory, what you want to do first is to upgrade your watchtower into level 22. Once you've successfully upgraded your watchtower into level 22, just simply open up your inventory, access the blueprint, and afterwards you can build structures that is not available in the features directly from the game, which means you can build special structures or buildings using your blueprint. And that's pretty much it. That's how you use Blueprint in Dark War Survival.